Welcome to my YouTube channel, yeah guys. Today I'm going to unbox Swarovski Woodpecker limited edition. Okay, back then they have this cartoon show called Woody Woodpecker. Okay, see, I'm gonna turn the box, yeah. Okay, so usually the Swarovski box are dark blue in color. That's their corporate color. Okay, this is okay, look at this. Okay, love lots. Okay, and I'm gonna turn it to the other side. You see, okay, you can see. So that's the barcode, yeah. Okay, this limited edition. Retail price. Okay, this is how to open. I'm gonna open it this way. There's a warning, yeah. I'm not sure, I can't find the certificate. Usually they come with certificate, but certificate is not available. So this warning that this item is not a toy. So for the kids, the size of the woodpecker crystal, Swarovski crystal, is very small. So they have in all languages. Okay, so you see, there's a soft some kind of cushion, yeah, so that the okay, I'm gonna open, so I take the other half. Okay guys, you see, yeah, gonna hold. Okay, this is the woody, not woody, I keep saying woody, this is a woodpecker. Okay, the crystal, I'm gonna take it out. So it's very small. Look at that, very small. Okay, I'm gonna bring closer. Okay, as I bring closer, it become blur, yeah, so I gotta move backward. So there you are. Okay, you see? Okay, that's the background. Okay, I'm gonna turn. Okay, this is the front view. The side view. Okay. And the back view. Okay, this is the top view. The lower below view, or whatever you call it. Okay. So it's this small, yeah, within the palm size. Look at my palm, so about that size. So the length is actually 3 centimeter. Okay, 3 centimeter. The width is 3.5 centimeter. There you are. Okay, retail price is 110 Singapore dollars. So I'm selling this at Carousel for 50 Singapore dollars, which is lower than the half price. Okay, the buyer coming and collect tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow is January 9, 2021. Okay, Saturday. He bargained for 40 Singapore dollars. I said no, I already brought down the price so low already. Okay guys, thank you for watching, yeah. Smash the like button, subscribe, comments and share. Bye.